Hey guys, welcome to my new video of how to create an AWS account without a credit card. As most of you already know that AWS provides a lot of services in its free tier. But in order to avail their services, you have to create an AWS account and you need to enter your credit card information. Some of you might don't have a credit card or you may not be interested to add your credit card to Amazon, worrying that you will get unnecessary bills. Actually, Amazon won't charge you unnecessarily. You can check aws.amazon.com/free to check what is included in the free tier. So let's see how we can create an AWS account without a credit card. Most of you have already heard about a virtual credit cards or net safe cards. Virtual credit cards are provided by most of the banks like HDFC, SBI, etc. In my previous video, we learned how to create a virtual credit card using HDFC debit or credit card. If you have not watched my previous video, please watch it. The link is in the description. We will use a virtual credit card to create this AWS account. You have to create a virtual card for rupees 2. Create a virtual card with limit rupees 2. Then go to aws.amazon.com. Click on the create an AWS account button. Enter your email address, password, and the desired account name and click continue. You will have to enter a few more details in the next step. You can choose personal and enter all the required fields and click create an account and continue. In the next screen, you'll be asked to enter the credit card details. Enter your virtual card details we already created, not your actual card details here. Click on verify and add button. Amazon will charge an amount of rupees 2 here. Now you have to enter a valid phone number. You can verify your phone number using a phone call or an SMS. You have to choose text message or voice call. Then enter your phone number and the CAPTCHA. You will get a code either by SMS or call based on what you chose. Enter the code and click verify code. You'll be asked to choose a support plan. Choose basic plan for now. There you go, your account is created. It takes a few minutes to activate your account. Once your account is activated, Amazon will send an email. Once you get this email, sign into your AWS account. Your account should be ready. Please make sure you use services that are included in the free tier. Check the link in the description for various free tier limits. You can check it in aws.amazon.com/free. If you use some services beyond the free tier, you will get a bill with charges in the next month. Of course, they cannot charge you since you are using a virtual card with no balance, but your account will be suspended if you do not pay the bill. You can check your current free tier usage statistics and forecast usage in the billing section. We are not seeing anything here because we have not used any services so far. Okay, that's all. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel. In the next video, I will explain how to spin up an EC2 instance. Thank you for watching.